Well, finding Spiti Valley on the Google Maps is very easy, but reaching here can be a bit tiresome. So hi guys, my name is Surbi and today I am vlogging from Kaza from the Spiti Valley, and welcome to the visuals of my life. Kaza is a serene destination in Spiti Valley which is packed with the stunning views of the Himalayan peaks, the snow-capped Himalayan peaks rather, and the bubbling rivers. So the plan of action for today is we are going to cover some places in and around Kaza today. So we have the plans to visit Hikkim, Langza and Kibber. So let's go and start with the vlog. So at Kaza, we were staying at this place called Kunga Hotel, and I can say that it was a pretty decent place which provided us with all the basic amenities. And now it was time for all of us to hit the roads again and leave for our first destination for the day, Langza. So after covering a few kilometers from Kaza, we started seeing the iconic Buddha statue even from a distance. So finally we have taken our first stop for the day. We are here at Langza, जहाँ पे है Spiti Valley का famous Buddha statue. And I think this is really incredible to see, because in the middle of the valley you have this Buddha statue. So it's like Lord Buddha is sitting in the middle of the valley and blessing the people of Spiti.
Take me home, go down the road we know, feel the wind as we're going. Spending these moments with you.
The view of the valley from here was truly beautiful, and to be honest, it was really cold and windy also on that day. So we decided to get our hands on a cup of warm lemon tea. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, that today we were supposed to cover Hikkim, Langza and Komik. So now we were all set to leave for the Komik village, which happens to be the highest village in the world. So next up, we have taken a halt at the Komik village, which happens to be the highest village in the world, and the population here is only 114 people. It's kind of a lunch or a snacking break for all of the travelers, and also I'm going to try out one local drink over here, which is the Sea Buckthorn. So they have two variants in it. One is the tea and the other is the juice. So I'm going to get my hands on the tea and let's see how it is. So here I have my hands on the Sea Buckthorn tea. So apparently what I have been told here, that this tea or the juice is really good for your eyes and maintaining the oxygen levels. So the taste of the Sea Buckthorn tea was just like any other herbal tea, but it was more towards the sour side, and I can say that it is definitely recommended. And for me personally, this is a ritual that whenever I travel to a new place, I make sure that I try out the local drink or the local food item from that place. And now it was time for us to leave for the next destination, which was Hikkim. So now we are walking our way to the highest post office in the world, here at Hikkim in Spiti Valley, and we are going to post some of the postcards here. So let's go. So here I am writing the postcards for my family and friends. So basically you'll have to purchase these postcards from the local shop and get your stamp stamped from the post office.
This night, if we're listening or picking fights. In this moment, I'm hoping I'm spending it.
Finally done and dusted.
In this place, I can focus.
After covering these 3 places in a day, we decided to get back to our hotel and take some rest. And for the evening time, we had the plans of going to the Casa market to just chill around and buy some souvenirs for us.
Far from this place.
So in the Casa market, we went to the Soul Cafe, which I have heard about a lot, and it was a really good place to be at. So we enjoyed some food over there and also purchased some fridge magnets for us. And from another local shop, I got myself a llama pendant as a souvenir from this place.
To spend them with you.
Hi guys, so we are finally back in our hotel, and today it was all about exploring Casa, and I hope you guys also enjoyed watching this. And for tomorrow we'll be leaving for the Chandratal Lake, so stay tuned on this channel and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.